Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you clicked to watch today's video. So today I'll be showing you how to make this plain coconut rice. Yes, very interesting how I achieved it and the fish that I used for it to be so creamy and saucy like this. You're highly welcome to this channel. Please stay tuned and do not leave. Let us prepare this coconut delicious fried rice together. Rice. And here are just the few ingredients. I'll be showing you the ingredients as I am prepping them. So to prepare them, I need 2 onions. Yes, this is for 4 cups of rice. I'll be using 2 onions, 1 habanero pepper. Use as much as you can tolerate. Ginger and garlic, very important to this recipe. And first I'll be using fish seasonings. All of these I'll just blend them together to make a beautiful paste. Lest I forget, this recipe was a requested one by one of my friends here in the YouTube, Go Natural. Yes, sis, here is the recipe. I hope you enjoy it. Please, if you have not subscribed to her channel, this is her channel. Please go and do that. Thank you so much. So after blending the mixture, I'll just set it aside and go ahead and prep the fish or show you the fishes that I'll be using for this recipe. You can use any fish of your choice. So I'm using stockfish fillet, which is frozen one, and I'm using the fresh one, which is also hagfish or stockfish as it may call. So I'm cutting them in a smaller bite because I want to pour them inside the rice so that if you mistakenly get it, so that you can eat it along. Alright, this is the coconut that we'll be using for this recipe. You need 2 coconut for this 4 cup of rice, but this coconut was seriously strong. When I mean strong, hey, isiako yibo nka akaraka. I went downstairs and hit it until it broke. Alright, and now I was able to open it. So to get the water out, you have to open it by the corner. Don't allow the water to throw away. Please, Natural, tell us what we can do with this coconut water. You know more about this. So after getting the water out, I'll go ahead and bring the coconut out of the shell. Be careful, please. This coconut did not come to joke. I don't know, the coconut here in diaspora very strong to break, but the one of Nigeria, just hit it once it will break. But this one was very tough, very tough rather. And please, if you are buying it, shake it. If you don't hear any sound of water, it is decayed. In fact, it is it is not good again. Don't buy the one that doesn't have the sound of water. And sometimes even if you have sound of water, it is decayed, because one of them decayed having water inside. I have to leave whatever I'm doing to go down and get another one to complete the 2 coconut of my coconut rice. So I have finished cutting them now, or removing them from the shell. I'll just go ahead and cut them into smaller pieces. This is to help your blender. Please, you can also use your grater. I remember the first time I started liking coconut, my auntie made it. I was just looking at her and I was just little gear then. I was looking at her prepare this coconut in front of me. She used grater to grate it, and she used just few ingredients, crayfish and fresh fish. But I'm going to give my own a twist. So after cutting them in a smaller piece, I'll go ahead and pour them in the blender. Pour water on top of the coconut, the same level I mean, and blend them until they are thoroughly blend or smooth. After that, get yourself a sieve, big sieve please, because when you use big sieve, you'll be comfortable in getting the milk out. I'm using warm water to bring the milk out. Don't use cold water because it will make the milk to be cold or to be sleepy and you cannot get your milk out. So use hot or warm water, preferably warm water. Gently do this because you need your milk out and you don't need too much water in it. So for you to get the milk out, you have to be squeezing it between your palm and make sure that it's very dried out of milk like this. Then you can take it aside. This is how I gently did it. until I finish all the coconut chaff there. And this is the milk. Very, very nice. So if you, after getting the chaff out, you have to sieve the milk again, because look at what I have there. This is what I got after I have finished pressing the chaff out. I sieved the milk again and I got the other one, and the black color is the back of the coconut. So please, natural, what can we do with this coconut chaff? You are in trouble. You are going to tell us the natural benefits of all these things. So after the hard part have been done, that is the coconut blending, cutting, breaking and sieving, here comes the fish. I'll just lay them in my pan. Please use any part of your choice, any pot that you can use, but don't allow this coconut rice to burn too much. Now, after laying them there, remember the sauce we make earlier, that is ginger, garlic, onion and habanero pepper, seasoning cubes as well. I'll just go ahead and pour them on top of the fish, and I will cook them there without water. Just be careful with this because those fish are very delicate. Yes, I'm using baby melusa or baby baby hagfish here. So stir them gently and allow them to cook. At least for 10 minutes it will cook. But if you know you cannot be able to have patience to cook it without water, you can pour little water or the coconut milk preferably. Yeah, pour the coconut milk. I think that will be the best option. Okay, now the fish is cooked, almost 70% of it. Instead of me to put coconut oil, I'm taking the oil from the coconut that I have already produced. Yes, once it is cold, you will see the oil that will be on top. Use your spoon and take the oil out and put it in the fish and allow them to cook or fry cook. After that, you will get a beautiful sauce. I was doing this just to get a coconut sauce, and this is it. This is a bonus. I hope it is being put in down. But if you don't want, you can still cook your fish the normal way you cook fish and use it like that. But I love the sauce of this coconut fish sauce. I really enjoyed it, and I'm sure you will enjoy it too. And you are doing it with the same coconut milk, so if you do it, you will like it. I'm telling you, you will really enjoy it. But if you cannot, just use your fish. You can use dry fish, you can use stock fish, any fish of your choice is all welcome. So after that, pour the milk, pour the remaining onion mixture, add a teaspoon of seasoning stick, half teaspoon of salt and half of the crayfish that you have. Don't add the whole crayfish once. And now go in with your wash or parboiled rice and stir them very well to be combined. Cover it and allow it to cook until the water or the milk is dried for the first time. Then you will be able to add the remaining ingredients after it have dried. It is dried. The first coconut milk is dried, and the aroma in the house now. I mean, this recipe don't need too much ingredients. Just crayfish, Maggi, salt, pepper, onion, ginger and garlic. I'm telling you, you will enjoy it. You will really enjoy it. And that is it. The first one I've tried. I'm going to check for test for seasonings. And when I test, I need crayfish, the remaining one. I will still add the last of the coconut milk, add salt and seasoning stock. Then the small stock fish that I cut with scissors, I will add them in now. I have already added them, and I will stir them very well to combine all the ingredients you added. Make sure everything is well mixed so that it won't stuck in a place. After that, if you want, you add water again. Yes, because this pot doesn't burn. It is naturally doing its work. That's why I didn't bother adding more water. But if you need water, please add. And now this coconut rice is ready. Hey, it is ready and it's very delicious. And I went ahead to make another shrimp sauce. This is it. I'll just take the rice. This is the plate that I used to design it. You have to make it. After finish, you design your food and enjoy it. And here they are, and the fish. I'll go ahead and use the remaining sauce and just spray it on top of the fish. This sauce was very nice, very nice. I'll make a recipe of this shrimp, how I made it, and it's so delicious like this. So that is it. The coconut rice is ready. Thank you so much for watching. Please, If we have watched up to this extent, thank you so much. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you prepare this recipe, bon appetit. Yes, enjoy it. Thank you so much. So if you have any recipe you want me to upload or to prepare, please let me know. Thank you so much. Natural, go natural beauty. Thank you. I hope you enjoy the recipe when you prepare it, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you and bye.